chicken. So charcoal is not an antibiotics. Charcoal cannot treat diarrhea. Charcoal cannot deworm your chicken. All these things are variety of diseases that have their own targeted drugs to cure them. Charcoal on itself cannot be one drug fit to all. How can charcoal be an antibiotic, cure diarrhea, cure worm in your chicken? No. Charcoal cannot be one drug fit to all in your poultry farming. Charcoal is a binder and a detoxifier. If your animal is having a bloat, you can give it charcoal. And iron charcoal, not any type of charcoal. Iron charcoal is what is advisable. Also, if you are trying to control the level of ammonia in your pen, the use of charcoal is also